Hello children. Now see what you can see. You can see a map. Okay, political map of India. Now children, through this, as you know very well, I have explained this, but today I am showing you because I am going to teach you different states. Okay, the importance of states, what are the qualities of that, what are their food, special food items, how they live, है ना? So everything we are going to discuss in this video. Okay children, now you can see where is Jammu and Kashmir. This is the place of Jammu and Kashmir. Okay children, now let's come to the point. Okay children, the first state we are going to discuss today is Jammu and Kashmir. The valley of Kashmir is surrounded by snow-capped mountains. Means the valleys of Kashmir, they are covered with snow always. Okay. It is an extremely beautiful state. This also you know it very well as you have studied earlier. The state of Jammu and Kashmir is very beautiful. It is known for its beauty. Tourists from all over the world visit the valley to enjoy its beauty. Children, people from all over the world, they come to visit it because it is very beautiful. And as I think so, many of you also have visited this place. Okay, children, the houseboats in Dal Lake are floating houses for tourists, provided the comforts of a home. Children, when a person leaves his home, first of all, he misses his home, the comfort of a home. So in Dal Lake, these houseboats are there to give you the same comfort of your house. Children, as the name suggests, houseboats, they are just like house. Everything is given inside it and people feel very comfortable and they enjoy it. Okay, children, we find a large number of houseboats and shikaras moving around in Dal Lake. Children, you can see houseboats also and shikaras also in Dal Lake. Now children, the question comes in your mind, what is shikaras? Shikaras sell flowers and vegetables. Okay, farming, weaving and wood carving are the main occupations of people in the state. Children, in India, listen me carefully. In India, the main occupation of the people living in it is farming. Same is there also. So they do farming also, weaving also and wood carving also. Rice, wheat, maize, rajma, potatoes and vegetables are widely grown. These things are grown widely in Jammu and Kashmir. Now children, listen once again. The main crops grown in Jammu and Kashmir are rice, wheat, maize, rajma, potatoes and vegetables. Now Kashmir is also famous for apples and saffron. You all know very well children, you have studied at many places that Kashmir is famous for apples as well as for saffron. Saffron is added to the food to give it a special flavor. As I told you, Kashmir is famous for saffron. Children, you know, saffron in Hindi we call it kesar, and your mama is using in many delicious dishes like kheer and all. Okay, children, and that is why they are giving it a special flavor and color also. Now, people of Kashmir, children, they speak Kashmiri, Dogri, Urdu, and Ladakhi languages. Now, listen one more carefully. Kashmiri, Dogri, Urdu and Ladakhi. These are the languages that the people of Kashmir they use. Okay children? Okay children, now just discuss some of the important or you can say popular things of Kashmir. Now what you can see? You can see a picture of a Kashmiri girl. Or you can say a Kashmiri girl in traditional dress. Okay, children. As it is very cold in winters in Jammu and Kashmir, so both men and women, they wear a special gown that is known as a firan. Okay, children. Okay, children, what is a firan? A firan is a special dress, a special gown that is worn by men and women both in Kashmir to save themselves from extreme cold. Okay. Now, second important point is because of extreme cold, they keep kangdi. Kangdi is a type of bhatti, children. In that they keep the burning coal that keep themselves warm. It is known as kangdi. Now, the third important point of Jammu and Kashmir is they drink a special type of tea that is known as kahwa. Actually, children, kahwa is made up of all dry fruits. It is a dry fruit tea that is known as kahwa in Kashmir. And children, you know it is very tasty. Now, children, the second thing is houseboat. Specialty of Jammu and Kashmir is houseboat. As children, whenever we go to a hill station, we usually stays in a hotel. But when people visit Jammu and Kashmir, they 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 prefer to stay in houseboats. Okay, children. The houseboats in Dal Lake are floating houses for tourists, providing the comforts of a home. As I told you earlier also, this houseboat gives you comfort and peace of your house. And that is why people prefer to stay in houseboats rather than the hotels. Now, children, I'm going to discuss very famous spots of Jammu and Kashmir that everyone is eager to go and they always want to go regularly to visit these places. You know what? One is Vaishno Devi and the other is Amarnath Cave. One is Vaishno Devi and the other is Amarnath Cave. Vaishno Devi is actually on a great height. So if we can walk easily, we are able to move there, then only we can visit this place. But children, nowadays in Vaishno Devi, many types of transportation is arranged so that everyone can go and visit these temples. Okay, children, as Vaishno Devi is an important pilgrimage center, in the same way, Amarnath caves are also important pilgrimage center. Okay, children, now let's discuss some of the important points of Jammu and Kashmir. The valleys of Kashmir, or you can say the valleys of Jammu and Kashmir has snow-capped mountains, means snow-covered mountains. It is a beautiful state. People wants to visit this Jammu and Kashmir because of its beauty. Children, you know, as it is also known as heaven on earth. Okay, children, Dal Lake is famous for the houseboats that people wants to visit and it gives the comfort of a house. Then shikaras are also there in Dal Lake. Shikaras they sell flowers and vegetables. Special occupations of the people of Jammu and Kashmir is farming, weaving and wood carving. Main crops grown are rice, wheat, maize, rajma and potatoes. Kashmir is famous for apples and saffron, as I told you. Okay, saffron is added to the food to give it a special flavor. People of Kashmiri, they speak Dogri, Urdu, Ladakhi and Kashmiri language. Okay, children, now see, once again I am showing you the pictures. This is the picture of a Kashmiri girl who is dressed up in traditional dress. both men and women. But due to extreme cold, they wear a special gown that is known as firan. Okay, kangdi they keep with themselves, and a special tea is known as kahwa. Second is houseboats that I already explained you. Ki people want to visit this. Okay, now the two pilgrimage centers are there, Vaishno Devi and Amarnath caves. I hope children you all have understood this very well. Okay, now this is the time for your homework. Now listen the questions carefully children. Only you have to learn it. Name the wild animals found in the forest of Shivalik Hills. Question number 1 is name the wild animals found in the forest of Shivalik Hills. Question number 2 is what are orchards? Question number 2 is what are orchards? Question number 3 is name the beautiful valleys found between Shivalik ranges and Middle Himalayas. Name the beautiful valleys found between Shivalik ranges and Middle Himalayas. Question number 4 is another name of Shivaliks. Question number 4 is another name of Shivaliks. Okay, children. Now, thank you. Stay healthy, stay at home, and keep yourself safe. Thank